Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. The box is turned sideways so I can keep the privacy of the person who sent it. There's information on both sides. But anyways, not sure what's in here. We'll find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, there's of course a link right down in the description. Your support would absolutely mean the world to me. And please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Alright, I have to make the initial cut off camera. And then we'll get in here. I promise. Can I come at the side? Okay. I'm opening up the side of the... Welcome to the Metal Complex YouTube channel. You look at a gray rectangle while Metal Complex describes in poor detail exactly how he's getting into a simple box. Oh, I'm glad you guys can't see this. This is not pretty. Okay. All right. Here we go. We have some stuff. There. All right. Now we can finally have it on camera. Let me make sure I didn't just toss a note away. Nope. Okay. All right. What do we have here? Two. Oh, a ProTech and a giant mouse. Now, I can't remember if I've looked at this one or not. Is this an... Oh, I'm so bad with the product line for Giant Mouse. I do like this model. There's a bunch of different ones. Nick just sent me one that's titanium and possibly the same thing. I'm not sure. But if it is, now I have one in micarta and one in full titanium to take a look at. So that's cool. Yeah, I think maybe it is. Is this the... It starts with an R. I will link this down below so you guys can check it out. These are great. I've done a review on a larger variant of this that's not the same name. It just looks similar. But yeah, I will link this down below if I can. And then this is something I've been after for a while. This is the ProTech TR5. And there are a bunch of different versions of this. This is an automatic knife. Is this an S35VN? Oh my gosh, that's awesome. So there are a bunch of different versions of this, and by versions I mean different lengths. There are also different versions too. Safety, very snappy, typical ProTech. If you don't know, my opinion of ProTech is very high, very, very high. U.S. company, they make the very best side-opening automatic knives in existence. I will continue to repeat that because I believe that. I want that out there for people who don't know. The TR5, there are different versions of this knife that come in different lengths. Some of them are huge, right? This one is on the smaller side, I believe, for the line. Gosh, I hope this is actually the TR5. I'm pretty sure it is. In any case, the reason I wanted to check it out is because it's got this nice, roomy forward choil. I like that a lot. And I always thought that I would really like this knife. And first impressions, yeah, I do. I really like it. Nice backspacer there, which is not typical for ProTech. Usually they come together at a seam like this. So that's really interesting to see. Then we have a nice deep carry clip. It's got quite a bill on it. Holy cow. Alright, I'm not sure how I feel about that bill, but the pocket clip is going to carry deep, right? Recess screws and all that. Safety, I'm not a huge fan of secondary safeties, but it is snappy. Blade profile is great. Pretty thin down here. And S35VN, that's pretty cool. I think this and variants of this are available, so I will link this guy if I can find it. And the TR series knives, or the TR series knives that are like this, down in the description. And I'll also link ProTech knives in general, so you guys can take a look at what they've got going on right now. This is cool. Very happy to finally, I think I've been asking for that guy for months. I don't always get what I want. If you guys don't know how this channel operates, 99% of the knives that I show on this channel actually come from you guys, from my viewers. Every month and a half or so I put out a list and I say, here's what I'm looking for. If you're willing to lend it for review, let me know, email me. And people send things, it's usually about half to 2/3 of the list gets sent in. And I'm very thankful for that, but I don't always get everything that I want. And I've been asking for the TR5 for a while, and somebody finally sent one in. Thank you so much. Very cool. All right. Was there a note? No? Well, okay. The person who sent... Oh, wait a second. Wait, is there an ad on the inside? Hang on a second. Hang on, let me carve this box open. Using the lightning to carve this box. Ah, he's got his @ taped to the inside of the box. Hang on. Hang on. Let me cut this off. Okay. I think this is his Instagram. So check him out on Instagram, at jf.edc on Instagram, I think is what that is. I'm glad I looked in there. I'd have missed that. That was sneaky. All right, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. Expect full comprehensive reviews of each of these knives in a few weeks. Do 20-minute videos, give you guys my thoughts, pros and cons, things like that. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all of my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.